Hey there, folks. I wanted to do a quick tool review. This is the MoJack HDL mower lift. I'm inside in the air conditioning right now, so you can see the box and you can screenshot part numbers and whatever you need to. But long story short, this is a safe and quick way to raise your lawnmower for various maintenance tasks, primarily swapping and or sharpening blades. So we'll run outside real quick. I'll show you how it works and we'll go from there. So this is a very simple tool. It's light enough to carry around and it stores pretty easily. All you're going to do is drive your tractors, and this works for a zero turn as well. The tractor's up on these plates here. You'll strap them in and lift it up. And I'll show you me doing that process real quick, and you'll see how easy it is. All right, when you do this, all you're going to do is drive up and shut off your machine. You're not going to chock the rear wheels yet, and you're not going to put on the emergency brake. So you're going to put these straps on, these lifting arms, and they're not ratchet, which is nice. It's just like a friction strap, which is nice. And you'll do both front wheels. Try to make sure it's centered on the tire. Give it a nice tug. All right. And this is where the magic happens. So just like any normal jack, you're going to go clockwise to lock the cylinder, and you'll start raising your machine up. And what you'll see, and what one of the most important things for me in purchasing this piece of equipment is that these arms here, much like an industrial car lift, as you're going, they're sliding and locking into place the higher you lift it. So if this hydraulic cylinder were to completely fail, you have two strong arms that are going to hold this up in a fail position and keep you from getting crushed. You'll be able to see also as I'm raising it, the wheels are sliding forward. That's okay, and that's what you want, and that's why we did not put the brake on or chock the wheels yet. So I'll get it the rest of the way up. And this will lift your deck 24 inches, which is wonderful. And as you'll see, it's about to click again. And I'm talking about those two black arms there. There you go. Now it's locked in that position. This hydraulic cylinder can completely bust and you'll be safe. To finish the evolution, you're going to put your lawnmower's park and brake on. And it's highly recommended. These are not included. You go to Harbor Freight, Amazon, they're very cheap. I guess I'll throw some in the as an affiliate link in there. These can save your life. Put one under each rear tire. Now you can safely work on your machine. I highly recommend this product. It is not the cheapest thing. There are other ways to raise your lawnmower. In my opinion, this is the right way. And in my opinion, tools are always a good investment. If you're going to invest in a machine, you need to be able to take care of it. You need to be able to take care of it safely. All right, so I've shown you how to raise your piece of equipment. Once you're done with your maintenance or inspection, whatever you're doing, this is also a very safe and effective way to lower the machine. So I'll show you, it's essentially the same process in reverse. Now that I'm not under the machine and no one else is under or around underneath the machine, I'm going to go and take these wheel chocks off. Go and lower, or excuse me, release my parking brake. And what you're going to do, if you can kind of zoom in a little here, this arm is in a locked in position. All right, so per the manufacturer's instructions, with the cylinder still in the locked position, you're going to pump up about 1 or 2 more clicks. And you can see that arm lifted up. And now, well, the step down to release, safety release, you push that down, keep your foot pressed down firmly on that release lever, and you can slowly and safely lower your machine back down to the ground. And that's it. It is that easy. So this is my review on the MoJack HDL with a lift capacity of 500 pounds. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Thank you.